Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make music play automatically on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of the sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here, which is going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for this page to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once here, just go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. Go ahead and click on the plus button or add element. And then once you do that here, as you can see guys, you can add a text, image, button, strip, and so on. So right now go to embed code. You're going to find popular embeds, video, audio, advanced and animations. So go to audio and then choose if you want to add music from SoundCloud player, Spotify player, or the iTunes button. So I'm gonna choose Spotify for example. Drag Spotify's icon right here, and then just wait for the layout to load. Once loaded, give it a click. Go to settings, and then go ahead and click on search Spotify. Search for the song that you want or the playlist. For example, I'm going to search for Weekend. And then, for example, I'm going to add this album. Click on select, and then it will be added. Here you're going to find some additional settings right here. Like you can change music from here. Here you're going to find the Spotify URL and so on. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.